KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I found this one in a magazine. It's called Semur chicken. It's actually an Indonesian dish, and this is a variation from the Torres Strait Islands. Right, let's get on with it. What I've got here, I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, about 4 chicken Marylands, 1 brown onion thinly sliced. I'm going to use some garlic paste, around about 5 cloves worth, and a good splash of lemongrass paste, and about the equivalent to a 4cm piece of ginger, using ginger paste, a tablespoon of chili paste, or I'm using sambal oblek, and we're going to use a cup of soy sauce and around about 300ml of vegetable stock. I'm going to use about 4 spring onions, a bunch of pak choy, which I've separated the stems from the leaves, and all we have to do now is start cooking. Alright, let's get on with it. So, bit of peanut oil straight in onto our pan, get a nice bit of heat on that. In goes our onions, and we're going to cook these off just briefly, just to get them a little bit softened down. Same with that pak choy or bok choy stalks, just put those in, just get them a little bit wilted. Now this is normally a dish that takes quite a bit of time. It's normally a stew. I'm simplifying this, make it really nice and easy. Once we've got these veggies starting to wilt down like that, around about halfway cooked through, we can take that out and just put them to the side. A little bit more oil can go in, and what we're simply going to do now is get our chicken Marylands skin side down. It's going to give us a really good colour and a really good flavour. So just put those down, let them do their thing in the pan like that. And if you haven't had Semur chicken before, it is awesome. It's a really nice dish, and you can adjust how hot and spicy it is as to how much chili paste you decide to put in. So get a bit of brownness happening on one side, we'll give them a bit of a flip like that, and we want to cook these off for around about 6 to 8 minutes. In goes our garlic, our ginger, and of course our lemongrass paste. I've already given you the quantities of that. They can go straight in. We're going to add in our chili paste, or as I said, I'm using sambal oblek, so a little bit different. That goes in, just gives a nice bit of heat. Give that a bit of a stir through like that. Start getting that cooked off. We don't want that raw flavour, in our dish. Make sure you coat all the chicken with that beautiful paste that we've just made up in the pan. As you can see, I'm not having a real good day with that spatula, so just keep turning those around, and we can add in our onion, our bok choy stalks, like that. How simple. In goes our pak choy or bok choy leaves. They can go straight in. Right. How simple is this? In goes our spring onions or scallions. They go straight in as well. Now normally you would just put this in dribs and drabs. I'm just doing it as a 1-pan dish. Got a bit of sugar there as well, around about a good teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons worth. I'm going to add in our soy sauce. That goes over the top like that. I'm starting to get hungry again narrating this. In goes our chicken stock. Alternatively, you could use a light beer. That would work as well. Make it really good. I'm simply just going to get that all nice and comfortable. I'm going to put the lid on it, and I'm going to cook that for around about 25 minutes to half an hour. What we're going to do now is just going to serve that up with some rice vermicelli noodles. Oh, look at that. And all we simply have to do now is just plate up our chicken Marylands and the little bit of veg that we have there, and before you know it, you've got yourself 1 plate of Semur chicken. Really nice and tasty, a little bit spicy as well. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It tastes amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. I'm trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. But you want to learn how to cook something from a different culture, like I'm trying to do, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Right, I've already eaten this. I know how good it tastes. Anyhow, I will catch you next time. Bye!